It is always important in our daily lives that when we talk about saving our Mother Earth, we always thought of great things. But how about the small or the little things that we could actually do? As a boarder, I am creating this video with an aim that even here at our boarding house, I maintain cleanliness and orderliness. And this kind of habit or an attitude is a very great or influential impact, especially to save our Mother Earth. And even though it's not actually the primary or the most ideal part in doing such, I believe that little things do matter. And so with this video, I am showing that even in this what we call the home, we are ensuring that we're able to propagate different kind of activities that will help protect and save our environment. And so with this, I'm hoping and really looking forward that a lot of youth out there are also doing their part. Altogether, let's save our Mother Earth. Cleaning makes a difference. When we impart ourselves even to the basics of cleaning and organizing our stuffs, it does create a huge impact. May we always ignite the significance of maintaining our environment so that at the end of the day, we can mitigate loss and sufferings.